everyone? This is Curtis with Week Michael Lawn Care. Hey, we ain't no lawn care here. Ain't nothing but snow, guys. Nothing but snow. Look at this here. I'm back again. I'll share another video with you out in this cold day. It's about 24 degrees out here, and as you can see, I'm surrounded with nothing but snow. That's right. Look here. Oh, wow. It's all white. It's probably about, I don't know, maybe 3 inches of snow here. Still snowing. What a day. What a day. Yeah. But as again, when you're up this way, I decided to just get out, see what it's like out here. What can I say? It's cold, but ain't bad. I can bear it. Let's see if I can walk around out here. Let's see. Oh boy. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah. Ooh. Yep. It's a good cold day today. Man, what can I say? Feel good though out here. It's not that real freezing weather, but some days, I mean, you can't bear being out here. But I can today. Oh yeah, sometimes guys you can't get out and go nowhere, so because you're snowed in, and this is the time that you have to stay in and really do some cooking. I tell you, when it gets cold like this and you got this snow, you can't get out, so that's when you get into the kitchen. That's like I say, you need to stock up, get what you want at the store, go grocery shopping, get all that you need, and then come back home and just fix it up, because you may be in for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 days before you can get out of here. Like right now, everything is shut down, so can't go anywhere. But I am stocked up, so can go home and cook something, cook a real good meal there. I tell you, the snow is still coming down. It's cold out here, but hey, I'm enjoying it. As long as I don't stay out in here too long, I'm all right. Hands kind of, okay. And this is one of the times where you just get tired of being in the house, so sometimes you just want to get out a little bit there, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm just wanting to get out of the house. Ain't used to this. No, I'm used to being in Texas. I can go outside anytime. The weather is good all the time. It ain't that way up this way. No. No. you're gonna deal with some snow and stay cold all the time. Of course, I checked the weather forecast in Texas.
What am I talking about? I'm talking about it. I'm missing Texas. Oh man, I remember 3 years ago. It was cold, and I went for almost a month with no electricity.
Yeah,
I like the froze to death in Texas. So hey, this here is man, I'm just having flashbacks about it when I was in Texas, and I had to go through some of this cold weather.
But anyway,
I don't know
guys,
what I
this
was
way
thinking about.
You know, this here clear your mind, and you'll be thinking, well, what am I gonna do with my time? When you got free time like this is when you get motivated. You're like, okay, I know what I gotta do. One thing you better do is saving some money, cause I'm like, hey, that heat bill, ooh, wee. Well, I'm looking at this. I know how it looks in the summertime. This is gonna all turn green again. Me. Yeah. Not here. Ooh. All right, guys. Time to walk back now. Yeah. It's time to walk back. All right, how y'all doing? All right. Yeah. Man. A lot of people were out checking out the snow. A lot of them don't want to get outside. Yeah. Yep. Okay, get out of here. Ooh, y'all see. That's where I was. All right, let me head back home. Stay tuned, guys.